Hey, what's up, hard money holders? So this is very urgent video for hard money because the crypto market is very badly falls down, and also the hard money is also in the last 24 hour very badly down, my friend. Minus 12.04%. They very badly falls down. What's the condition? What's we do? What's the target of hard money? Everything I discuss you. But first of all, you can see here the crypto market very badly falls down, my friend. This time very badly falls down. Every day they falls down, and this time. So what you do, please please don't skip this video because I tell you the target, what's the target of harmony one coin, and what's my prediction and what's my opinion. So let's get started the harmony coin prediction, my friend, first of all. But please, I request you, if you are new on our channel, kindly subscribe this channel for latest news and updates. I hope you subscribe this channel, my friend. My friend, if you can see here in the last 1 hour, they starting moving up plus 3.93%. They're moving up. So this is very good news for everyone, my friends. You can see here this is the last 1 hour, and the change occur at 0.11. Oh my goodness, they can hit it 0.1 US dollar. Wow, our next target is exactly, my friend, half US dollar, 0.5 US dollar. I hope they can hit it. You can see here they're starting moving up like a rocket. They're starting jumping. This is good news for everyone. Okay, let's get started the prediction, my friend. First of all, I opened the last 7 days charts, and then you can see here very badly falls down, my friend, in the last 7 days. Minus 21.44% they falls down, my friend. If you can see here the chart, I make a chart. You can see here this time. Oh my goodness, very badly falls down, my friend. After a high jump, they falls down, and after a jump, after a fails, they take a jump. This is the circulation. If you can see here, my friend, this is the circulation. Okay, all right, this time after Suki, you can see here after a last fail, they take a very high jump. Yes, our target as 0.5 US dollar, 0.5 US dollar. I hope they can hit it easily, my friends. My prediction to an upcoming days, they're going up like a rocket. So please don't hold, don't sell it. Hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. They make you a millionaire. Exactly, the good time is coming soon. So please, I remember, my friends, my holder, everyone, remember to please don't sell it. The good time is coming. Exactly this time, all crypto markets very badly falls down. But I hope the good time is coming soon, and they are in the moon. We are going in the moon. Okay, friends. So please be ready and like this video. Please keep touch with Abby Stake channel. If you subscribe this channel, then I am updating you every time, every good news or bad news. So please subscribe and press bell icon for videos notification.